Evil Eye Crochet. Welcome to Ali Crochet. I'm gonna show you how to crochet an evil eye earrings. So this is our materials needed: royal blue, white, sky blue, and black colors. Then 1.10mm hook, a pair of scissors, a needle for later, and some ring loop. I'll be changing it later because I think that's not a good one, so I change it into circle. Then we're also using a fish hook earring. So to begin with, make a magic ring and make 10 single crochet into the ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tighten your tail, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then slip stitch on top of your first single crochet. You can either slip stitch and close your yarn or continue doing it by changing colors. Now I'm going to be using a sky blue yarn. Chain 1, and make 2 single crochet in each of the following 10 stitches for a total of 20 stitches. And after that, slip stitch on top of the single crochet. Now we need to change the color white yarn. Grab the yarn and slip stitch. Then single crochet on that same stitch. 2 single crochet on the next stitch. that would be the same stitch. You have to put 2 single crochet on the same stitch and single crochet on the next, 2 single crochet on the next stitch, and that will be the same process all the way around your work. And then slip stitch on the very first single crochet. Cut the yarn, and now we need to change the color into royal blue. Insert your hook in any of the stitches that you have, then slip stitch the royal blue and make single crochet on that same stitch, another single crochet on the on the next stitch, and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So the pattern will be 2 single crochet on the same stitch and single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet on the same stitch all around your work. And then slip stitch into the very first stitch of your royal blue that you've made. So like I said, I changed the ring loop into the circle one because this drop loop earring is not really the thing that I like, so I change it. Now we're going to attach our work into the ring. So make sure that the ring loop is in between your work, then single crochet all the way around. But like I said, make sure that the ring is in between your yarn and the hook, the crochet hook. Then slip stitch into the first single crochet. After you done with your single crochet, attaching your work into the earring loop. Now using an earring fish hook with your pliers, put in your finished product in the fish hook earring and close it. And weave in the end of your work using your crochet needle. Cut the end of your yarn and clean up a little bit of your work. Make it presentable. And this is our finished product of the Eagle Eye. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope that I delivered the tutorial well so you can follow. And thank you for always supporting my channel. Have a nice day. This is Ali Crochet saying thank you so much. See you again in my next tutorial. Bye bye.